I have two questions.
Mm.
One from a listening perspective.
Mm.
So when I have any itching in the body, I can clearly see that I'm listening to my body.
Mm.
But when it a thought level perspective, how will I know that I'm listening to me or I'm listening to my mind?
Listening, when you start itself, your mind will give way. It will be to you only. Next.
And self-doubt plus self-hatred is nothing but a self-denial.
No. Sometimes it can be, but self-denial is a independently, completely, no possibility. It's like a sealing you, by you. You putting the last nail on your own coffin is self-denial. Go ahead.
Nityanandam Swamiji. So I have one question that when we remember the childhood incidents, some of them are our own memories and some are the memories that others have and they share with us. Oh, when you were a kid.
No,
this
even
happened.
that becomes yours. Once you feel one with it, it is yours.
Okay.
For example, some terror movies, you yourself may not have seen the ghost, but you would have been so one with that movie, that becomes, you want that as your own, you just swallow it.
Yeah. So you complete with both.
You have to complete with that also. The terror movies you saw at the age of 4, 5, 7, 8, which you just swallow it and make it as your own.
Okay.
How many of you have this kind of experience with these terror movies?
And so
Horror movies.
yeah, I asked this question to a lot of people.
And I wanted to tell this before we change the subject. I sincerely request, never ever spend time in watching horror movie, terror movie. It will directly damage your decision making mechanism. Whenever you find time, spend time with in watching the comedy scenes or comedy type of movies, and even romance is okay. Those things does not damage your consciousness. I'm not promoting romance. Don't go and put in the Facebook, Swamiji said watch romance movies. No. I'm saying that doesn't damage your consciousness. But the horror movie directly damages your possibility for living enlightenment, possibility for Advaita, and constantly agitates your inner space, which takes a lot of time for completion. So always the violence, horror, terrorizing, those scenes please avoid. And this recently one boy was killed by the tiger in the Delhi Zoo. That video becoming viral and watched by millions of people. I was so sad. Not sad, sadness can never come into me, that is different. For your sense, in your language, I should say that it was so bad that people should not be watching it. And see, nothing touches me. So, my case is different. But people should not be watching it, because if you watch it, you will own it up. See, listen carefully. You can never keep yourself separate from the scene. You will unconsciously put yourself in that scene and live the whole thing and create a pattern and incompletion. After that, completing with it and getting out of it becomes a big headache. How many of you watched that video? Stupid. Honestly, people who watched it, raise your hand. How many of you honestly agree, at least for a few minutes you put yourself in that place and visualized? Raise your hand. Is it required? Jnanatma is telling, she was seeing how to overcome the fear. That you should find out your earlier existing incompletions with fear and complete. Not that you will create one more incompletion and complete. You want to take bath to clean yourself, so you will apply all the dirt on you and then go and take bath. What a logic. Already you have enough. Why don't you go and wash what you have? Instead, you will order for 2 kg dirt and apply on that and then go and take bath. So, I sincerely request all you guys, never do this, the stupid way of accumulating incompletions and patterns with which you will be suffering for quite a long time. Tell me, how many of you were really upset after watching that? Then why did you watch? Excitement, curiosity. Is it required? No, you can always turn the other way. Try to see, and one of the worst problem is some of the simple acts, through simple acts, the incompletion you can accumulate stays in your system for 10, 12 years and all. 10, 12 years and all you will be struggling with it. That is why I am saying, don't accumulate. Understand? Don't accumulate, especially when you are trying to transform you spiritually. See, there are stupid fellows who are not going to do anything anyway. Let them see all this horror movie and die. Who cares? You understand? They are not interested in any peak possibility, authenticity, Advaita, enlightenment, reality and all that. Let them get lost. But you guys, your lives are very precious because you are all the possibility, hope for the future. The moment you become a seeker and started seeking, the ambition, spiritual ambition of the whole cosmos is waiting for you to flower. Understand? Now you are pregnant with that spiritual possibility. You can't afford to abort yourself. Cosmos can't afford to abort you. You are a great possibility. That is why I am telling, the moment a person starts seeking something beyond his sense, the moment he feels inspired by the Advaita or spiritual ideas, now he is no more ordinary human being. He needs to be protected, guided, raised and delivered as a baby, never aborted. You understand? So, do not allow the conscious abortion. And this tiger video will not just sit with you as a horror or anxiety. It will start even feeding your impossibility pattern. You understand? See, whenever you face your spouse, you will be sitting like that same boy. That visualization will overpower you. I'm just making very jovially, I'm telling spouse, but I'm not just whether your boss or any situation where you feel powerless, you will visualize that boy's powerlessness. Just one person with a spontaneous intelligence in that area, one matchbox and one shirt, and drop it near that boy, that would have enough to scare the tiger away. Stone will not scare the tiger, it will agitate. Fire will scare the tiger. Now only all of you thinking, oh God, such simple solution. You don't need a God, you don't need anything, just spontaneous intelligence. One person who was shooting in that area, one matchbox, one shirt is enough to save that boy. Everyone got into that panic mood. That is why 15 minutes the tiger gave time for him. He was not hungry. That's all you need. I can be sure many would have had lighter and matchbox. Everyone was having a shirt. One shirt, one matchbox. Burn it and throw it to that boy. If that boy waves that, that's enough. Please be honest. When you watched that video, how many of you had this click, this would have been the solution? That is why I am telling, making yourself more and more into the impossibility. Why should we? As if we have less karma and we call, please bring it. Why? See, whenever you go to the impossibility, the visual images you collected about the persons who are in the impossibility, that will be repeated and it will become like a psychological chain for you to fall into that powerlessness and non-action. Just scan yourself subtly and see how many of you, when you fall into the impossibility, you visualize the scenes of impossible beings, persons who have seen in your life repeating in you. Raise your hand. It's a very subtle. Now you are adding material to that bank. Are you getting it? You are adding material to your wrong bank. All of you understood? Now please put your question. I'll answer your question.
Swamiji, in my case, I watched the censored version of the video.
So, see what I am saying, whether you watched the censored or not, if you have censored it without allowing in your inner system, that's enough. And never watch these horror movies and the terrorizing movies. Keep it out of your system.
Swamiji, about completion, so I had this doubt. Being complete about an incident, is it when you wake up in the morning, you've forgotten that incident, or that incident still exists, but it is you don't become powerless?
What I am saying, the incident still exists, you don't become powerless is the one level. After some time, you may not even remember it.
Okay.
It will go to that extreme.
So that comes with time.
Yes, in time.
Okay, and one more question. So about listening to your pain. So we had this many views in our Timili. Someone said that, say if your ankle is hurting, so you listen to the pain. The moment you listen to the pain, it vanishes. And someone said that you ignore it, don't listen. So
No. Listening is the right thing.
you
not
listen to
ignoring.
it
Yes.
and focus on it, and it
Yes.
goes. Okay, thank you.
Please go ahead.
Swamiji, I have two questions. One is related to this incident, that why people are so interested in such things. Because I'm calling
Because
10 people.
people enjoy pain.
Why?
People enjoy being in powerless. Why I have to ask you, not you to me. I don't enjoy. Come on, you are only enjoying. I have to ask you, why are you enjoying?
Okay.
What is this? You are asking me why? You are only enjoying. I only have to ask you.
Swamiji, you can get into their system and find out.
Self-denial.
Self-denial. Okay.
Self-denial. People enjoy even their failures. Sympathy which comes through their failures. And you don't know why people enjoy sometimes stupid things. And still I am not able to understand why people drink alcohol. How will that be of any help? But people enjoy. What to do?
Why this is not exciting? I mean, this program. Because I'm calling 10 people.
Maybe you have to have a little taste of it for you to experience excitement. And moreover, the way you are calling maybe bulldozing and not from the completion space to prove you are some way superior and all that, condescending it may be.
Okay.
There is a possibility for that.
And another question is, my wife and my mother continuously fighting. So
Indian daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, what to do? That nothing can be done. Still I have not found the solution for that. So Any other problem you have, tell me.
Is it my incompletion? Is it my incompletion?
I can say it starts from you.
Starts from you.
Starts from you.
Okay, so after I get enlightened, they will not fight.
No, you don't need to go up to the level of enlightenment. Even if you become complete, they will not fight.
Or I'll be able to resolve their issues, is it?
No. Even if you become complete, the power of your completion will be so much, they both will simply start getting complete.
So fight will stop, or
Simply fight will stop and they will become complete with each other. You will miss the soap show every day goes on in your house. You may need TV for your entertainment instead of live show. Come on.
Swamiji, I have one situation where when I did the completion, I went to other lives.
Mm.
Then this has been a big problem, this particular situation. And I found 2 lives and relived them. But still, it seems like the problem is not complete. So, how far back does this go?
No. See, your problem is you do not listen to me, ma.
Yeah.
If I tell you your problem, you are not going to listen. Even if I tell you you don't listen to me, you will only get hurt. You are not going to plan to listen to me. That is why I did not give you direct answer even yesterday.
You did give direct answer. I got it.
No.
Oh,
it
was helpful.
I just pacified you and sent you.
Oh.
That much only you are ready to listen from me. You are not ready to listen a direct answer from me.
Oh. Then
You
how
are suffering with a deep self-denial. This is the direct answer. You need to work on that.
Oh. And
Understand?
Yes.
In no way you need to change others. You have to change completely only you. You are not ready to listen to this answer. So I just pacified you and sent you yesterday. That is why you are thinking I gave you the right answer. Yesterday what I gave is the consolation. Today what I am giving is the solution.
Okay.
What you want, take it. Next.
Nityanandam Swamiji. While writing the patterns, listing the patterns, in one incident, like I have encountered several patterns. Is it possible like...
Yes. In one incident
time.
can be the totality or the root of several patterns.
Yeah, thanks. Swamiji.
Anybody else with question can come forward? Yes.
Actually, to
See,
make
this
this
answer is for every one of you. All of you understand? These answers are for every one of you.
actually I had the same question. You already answered that, Swamiji. And one comment for Sonika. You asked about the pain, and no other example, better example can be given as the Gurukul kids. Yesterday I saw 2 of them. One injured his thumb between the door and the door jamb. And she came to me with the thumb and I checked her. I perceived there was a fracture. I sent her for X-ray. And I told her to have some medications or ice packs. She said, we don't take medications. I will just focus and complete. And the pain will go. And once Ma came back with the X-ray, showed me the X-ray, there was no fracture. And she said she is moving without pain.
And it's not that we deny medication, understand? We provide all the medical care. If they feel pain, immediately we provide.
It was she who said, I don't want medications. I know I can get rid of the pain by focusing. Probably a 9-10-year-old kid. Nothing more than that. Thank you.
Swami, I'm a bit confused about the answer you gave. When my wife and mother, when they have incompletion together, what way I'm related to that?
Please listen. You did not show the power of completion, possibility, what completion can bring to the life to them. That is why they are in that same mood. Why she listens to me, not to you? Because I show the possibility.
Got it.
Yes.
Nityanand Swamiji. I have one question. I recently had this incident with my father where I wanted to explain completion to him and I wanted to complete with him during LAP. And he said that I know all this, I don't want to listen to this. So I was then a bit confused and in low mood. Like, how should I take responsibility
No.
for that?
Tell him, forget about this completion and all. Have some mood and situation where like a family dinner, that kind of a situation, you tell him, it is not some spiritual practice or anything. I wanted to have some psychological relief for me, so I wanted to speak to you something. So in that context, if you speak, you may open his listening.
Okay.
See, the moment he thinks you are trying to do some spiritual process with him, that's it. Oh, this fellow is already mesmerized by Nityananda, and Nityananda teaches how to mesmerize people, and this fellow is mesmerized me. You understand? And that fear, you may need to open up, relax him, and bring the space of listening, and with a little, you understand? See, what media has done, you have to undo. That's what. See, most of our devotees, relatives are afraid of our devotees. How many of you experienced this? They think you are an alien. Understand? You are an alien and you have gone cuckoos, crazy, whatever you want. You call, you are given all kinds of names, you are given all kinds of titles, you are given all kinds of but you are never listened. You understand? This is such an unfortunate thing happening. See, one thing you guys also need to understand, it took so much of my time and energy to give you guys the cognitive shift. So you can't expect them to have even sympathy towards you unless you spend little time with them. You understand? How much I have to come down to you to entertain you, for you to open your listening to me. Understand? And see, it is the tremendous friendliness I radiate with you, and the story you listen from others about my friendliness, that opens you up to listen to me. See, it is never my powers makes you open to listen to me. It is the story about my friendliness. How many of you understand this? It is the stories about my friendliness that makes you open up to listen to me. That gives you the comfort to listen to me. So you need to do that to them. Understand? That kind of a comfort zone. Only then you can expect them to even listen to you. You can't be condescending. Condescending way, never the truths are transmitted. Condescending way, I can establish I am God, but only with friendliness I can establish you are God. The purpose is to establish you are God. You understand? I am God, I don't even need to establish. Come on, what is there? I am God, I know that. The whole process is to establish you are God. That is where the whole work is. That is where the need for the Sangha, enriching, whole thing. You understand? Just if I sit under the banyan tree and don't care about anything and show only my miracle powers, go on healing and materializing, enough to establish that I am God. You understand? If I just do that job, my branding will be only that and we will have millions here. The moment I ask you to transform, only crowd disappears. If I just sit and do materialize vibhuti and kumkum and give boons, heal people, only that job, and only that is established as my brand. Do you know the amount of crowd we will have here? But unfortunately, in that crowd, all of you will be lost. I sacrifice that crowd for all of you. Understand? I sacrifice that crowd for all of you. Because I want to sit with you guys who want to experience that Advaita, who want to make this as part of lifestyle. So for this, the whole game is different. First of all, you need to have the tremendous trust and friendliness with me. I have to make you experience my space is approachable. You can play in my space. My space can be your play place. Like McDonald's play place, you can go up and jarr, you can do this, you can go inside and come out. The McDonald's play place you have seen? One circle will be there, one straight will be there, one slant will be there. You can play on that, you can play on this, you can jump on this, you can jump on that. By mistake, you can even do 1, 2, 3 once in a while, it's okay. You will not be scolded for it, you will not be punished for it. Now, if a child does a 1, 2, 3 in the play place, nobody is going to punish him for that. So that level of comfort zone, I will have to create for your space for you to listen. Whether it is my jokes, or casual comments, or my likes in the Facebook, or love you comments in the Facebook, understand everything is the smell of my friendliness. It's the smell of my being. The smell of the Advaita. That gives you the comfort zone to play, to jump up and down, to pick up Advaitic truths. Understand? Big job. Come on. Go ahead.
Swamiji, I found two characteristics in me majorly. One, I always avoid responsibility, that you told like it's self-doubt. The other thing I see is I never want to fail. So because of that, I just don't want to take up anything. So I don't even try anything. So under what
I
this
think
comes?
I think this comes under self-denial. You will have to complete with this pattern. Pen down the incidents when you decided to take the responsibility but badly failed. That is where it starts. If you find the route, you can complete it.
So Swamiji,
In my case, if I start 100 and succeed in 10 and not succeed in 90, if I want 100 success, I start 1000 or 10,000, that's all. Because I know the 10% success rate. So I wanted 100 means let's do 10,000, that's all. Don't all the time think and speak about this 90 not happening. See the statistics, 10 happening. Then now you know the law of life. If you want 100, make it 10,000, over. Come on.
Swamiji, I wanted to know, so say if the addiction level is really high, for a person who's not done inner awakening, doesn't know the actual crux of completion, so say for a 2-day program, when the addictions are overpowering your listening, so then what is the simplest start to completion that you can do?
I know your problem, I will directly attend to it. Don't worry, go. Next.
Nityanandam Swamiji.
That only can be attended by the mystical powers. I will do it.
For me, it's a peculiar suffering pain. when my children are with my wife, they are 9 years and 6 years. Every fortnight, weekends, 2 hours they'll meet me. But she spread all the bad about me. And in the 2 hours, if they tell something, Daddy, Mummy is telling about you like this and all. How to convince?
Maybe, maybe you accusing her is not going to make your kids understand. The space you carry for your kids only is going to convince your kids. I tell you, kids are so intelligent. They will start seeing who is poisoning them. They may tell you what mom told, but they themselves may not believe it. It's like many people come and tell me, we watch the channels to see, but we don't believe what they say. Understand?
Yes.
So the space you carry will make them understand what you are.
Yes.
Carry the space with courageous way.
In the 2 hours, I can make by fortnightly.
In the 2 hours, you can clearly show how you respond to those accusations. And tell the kids, don't be poisoned by what she says, and I don't want to poison you guys by telling something about her. That will give them the click.
Thank you.
You guys need both of us. We might have separated due to our incompletions, but you guys need both of us. Don't be poisoned about each other by each other. That will never think kids are small. They may be small, but they are not simple.
Recently you said do more projects and expand. Instead of 10 you do 100. There the obstacles I get it. Most of the time when I left something and take another one. Is it
I am not
large?
saying leave something and take another one. All the 100 should be in your list, which you should be scanning day and night. Your vision. All the 100 should not leave your vision. You may be acting, may not be acting, but it should be in your table memory.
But something goes into the backdrop, so that
No,
I am leaving.
If you just keep the work list and take care, nothing goes into backdrop.
If I focus on one, other has to go to backdrop.
No, that is the wrong belief you have about you. That's the wrong inner image you have about you. If I focus on one, the other has to go to the backdrop, is one of the wrong beliefs you have about you. Complete with that, I can manage the whole and more, is the truth. Start putting your hands. Now if you think you can manage 2, you will see you can manage 10. That will give you the confidence to manage 100.
But our personal involvement has to be there, which gives an excitement.
And please understand, you saw my life last few days.
Okay.
Do you see anything is put in the backdrop?
Priority shifts but never gone into.
Huh?
Priority may shifts but not gone into backdrop.
That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
So
So how, all right, when you sat with me and spent that one day, did you see the amount of vast memory with which I am handling things?
that's we don't.
No, it is the memory loss is one of the biggest incompletion we created, believing that we can't handle that amount of memory.
that
So the
has
first
given-
level of completion need to be done. We can handle any amount of memory.
Okay.
Our inner space is not a limited mall as we think. See, it is like some of the major incompletions, if you complete itself, you will have so much inner space to handle vast memory.
So memory restriction is one of the.
See, it's just like computer only. If you have high resolution, you can store only 2-3 picture. If you make everything into Word document, you can store any amount. That's all. The high resolution and Word document, what is the difference, you know? The incompletion loaded to the information.
Little.
Incompletion loaded into the information.
Correct.
Is the high resolution.
Okay.
If you just pull the incompletions out of that file,
Space.
it will just become a Word document.
Oh. Thank you.
Clear?
Nityanandam Swamiji, Swamiji, I have some
And I am not
doubts.
IT engineer, by the way.
I have some doubts regarding completion process, Swamiji. Today we had a talk with the two kids, Sundareshwara and Jnana Prakasha. Jnana Prakasha was telling, Sundareshwara was, he's often hitting me. But I know very clearly Sundareshwara never does that out of incompletion or no hidden agenda behind him. Anything he does, it only enriches the other person. That much I'm very confident. But I didn't get why this boy is feeling like that.
What I am saying, the perception of Jnana Prakasha is not yet evolved, so we should not allow Sundareshwara even to hit for the right reason. We should tell Sundareshwara till he also feels the confidence about your intention, don't hit him.
Okay. I asked this question directly to him, Sundareshwara. Sundareshwara, if he does anything from the space of completion.
No. What I am saying, sometime the other person not evolving also should be taken into consideration.
He asked me some questions, Swamiji. I asked this doubt also to him. If anybody talks anything from the space of completion, will it hurt the other person, even if you use some angry words?
And then what I am saying, it is true. I don't think Sundareshwara has evolved to that level of completion.
And he asked me, Swamiji,
That
did
is
you
what.
complete
He
with
has
your mom?
not evolved to the level of completion where he can advaitically transmit that. Even I use discretion. You understand?
Yes.
Even I use discretion. It is not that everyone gets firing from me. Even though it directly heals and transforms the person, it's not. Even I use discretion.
Maybe it's I look at him as a big boy. That's the reason
That
I
is not-
exaggerate the.
No, you exaggerate.
I exaggerate.
That's true.
But every time the answer what he gives, it's like amazing. It's
That is, see, he is surely much more than his age, but you are trying to put an enlightenment on him, which is not yet. So wait.
Yes, I have one more doubt, Swamiji. He asked me, did you complete with your mother? Yes, I completed with my mom. He said, no, you did not complete with your mom. If you are complete with your mom, we will not feel like this. The two kids will not feel
No,
like that. They will be
that is
complete.
not completely that thing. It can be, it is one logic. It's one logic, but he needs to understand, the Jnana Prakasha need to evolve little more to understand Sundareshwara's aim and the context. So he has to wait.
Sometimes when we are doing this completion process, Swamiji, again and again the same memory comes. Again we complete. Again we go through. Sometimes
No,
we get
it means you rethought, you remembered, not relived.
Yesterday I got the same clarity, Swamiji. So this
So
is
it's
what.
reliving is required, not remembering.
But on the incident, ஞாபகம் வர மாட்டேங்குது, Swamiji. We are not able to remember.
Then do completion with a mirror, with that overwhelming emotion, without an incident. Day before yesterday I spoke about it.
Yes, exactly, Swamiji.
Do that.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Please go ahead.
Swamiji, while doing the SDHD thing, I could not find any self-hate in me. Like, I got self-doubt, self-denial, those things I got. But in self-hate, I
Maybe
just
you will have to
cannot
sit
come
and
up with
think
anything.
little more, then you will get it. Because SD cannot exist without SH.
Self-denial cannot exist.
Self-denial and self-doubt is there, means there will be self-hatred.
But self-hatred is like me going out trying to
No.
convince.
Let me give you the simple example. Like if you are somebody is sick, he thinks whether he will get cured or not, self-doubt. If he thinks for all he has done, lifestyle he lived, he should not get well. He is not worthy of that, self-hatred. And he comes to the conclusion he will not get all right, self-denial.
second one is self-hatred.
Means for all the things he has done, he will not get well.
Yeah.
Understand?
I'm justifying that. Okay.
How the logic evolves from SD, HD.
But for SD, self-hatred, I just cannot come up with, because.
So you may have to look a little deeper. That's all. Just because you have not hit it, don't think it is not there. It's there.
But I've never tried to portray myself in front of someone, even though they may not be convinced as something I'm not. I mean, I may, if they are perceptive enough to see the real me, fine, whatever. I may not make any extra effort to hide that fact from them. So that is what I have basically done most of my life, basically. I didn't have any reason not to do that, because that's been my life. So when it comes to self-hatred, I don't recall any situation where somebody knew more about me than I was portraying to them. That sort of a way.
Even now I can see you are trying to show yourself as somebody who you are not to me, to impress me.
That may be denial. Oh, my partner,
No,
self-denial.
this is the gap from where the SH is going to happen, not SD.
Oh, okay. But incident is not coming to me like that. Self-doubt, self-denial, okay, those things clearly.
Now what you did, see where all you did.
I wanted to ask you about memory, because you said memory is infinite. We can hold as much memory as we want. So for those of us that are teaching memory classes, last year you spoke about a sage that knew everything. Then they brought him a shoe. A shoemaker brought him a shoe because he had never seen one, and asked him how to make the shoe. And he did some sign, and the shoemaker said, yes, now you know. But the next day, he didn't remember. Yes, yeah. The next day, he didn't remember. And what you said was, the way you know everything is you don't store it. You just call it when it comes, when it's important.
But what I am saying, the state I am saying can be achieved just by completion with your memory loss patterns.
So then it can be stored. The
Yes.
storage is infinite.
See, storage is infinite.
Thank you.
Yes. Please go ahead.
Since last many years, I am suffering badly with cervical spondylitis problem, and I got a very strong blessing also, and I have very deep faith. I am doing completion also. Where I am missing Swamiji, because still I am facing this issue, and
I'll heal it. Don't worry.
Thank you very much.
I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.